to another video. It's been a long time, but I'm trying something different. Welcome to my Tiny Mighty Jam Mexican Kitchen. I am hosting a dinner this weekend and I'm prepping. So what I'm gonna do is start with cream. I'm making Jamaican black cake or Christmas cake, and I'm gonna cream sugar and butter together. So let's get into it. So I have butter and sugar here. Oh Dios. Make sure that your pan is secure and the lock is on, and then we mix. So what we're doing is creaming the sugar and the butter. Butter. In this I'm gonna add the six eggs. So here I have the 6 eggs, and I'm gonna whisk it until it's foamy. Then I'm gonna add the vanilla, salt, molasses, browning, nutmeg, and cinnamon. I'm gonna go in and add the browning. First, let me start with this. Cinnamon, and nutmeg, but I'm gonna grate this in. If you add too much nutmeg, it can cause hallucination. So I'm just going to grate to about a teaspoon and a half. I'm just eyeballing this, but I'm sure it will taste amazing. Enough. Wait. Nutmeg. And then a little bit of salt. A little bit of salt because the butter I used earlier, creaming with the sugar, it's unsalted. And for molasses, browning. So we are going to big heaping tablespoon of browning, and the same amount of molasses to oopsie. It smells so good. I'm gonna whisk this. I am going to add baking powder I hope this is, I need 1.5, and I don't think this is 1.5 spoon, but let's hope for the best. Hope for the best. So I am grating this. Oh, it smells so good. And we are going to whisk this together. Whisk it together. Another accident. After adding the fruit cake, we mix again, and then we add the flour, and then we mix again. It's a lot of mixing. A lot of mixing. So I'm going to add the flour and quickly mix it. Well, So I just removed the from the oven. It says brush, but I am more like giving it a bath in rum. This should be red label wine, but I don't have that. But I'm using what I have.